How to convert PDF files into TXT files. In this tutorial, we will show you step-by-step process to convert PDF files into TXT files using BitRecover PDF to TXT Wizard software. To install the BitRecover PDF to TXT Wizard software, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch it. This represents the interface of the BitRecover PDF to TXT Wizard software. To begin, click on the Start button. This tool provides user with dual options. You can choose either one of the options available. Click Select File option to select files individually, or click Select Folder option to select multiple folders at once. Select the folder or folders containing the PDF files you wish to convert. Click on Select Folder to continue. This displays the path of the selected folder. Click on the Start button. Select files individually or select entire folder you want to convert. Click on Next. Destination part allows us to specify the destination for exporting the selected file. To select the destination path, click on the folder button icon. Click on Make New Folder and rename it according to whatever suits you. Click on OK. After selecting the destination path, it's time for conversion process. Simply click on Start button, and conversion process will start. Once the conversion is completed, you'll receive a notification box indicating that the conversion process was successful. Click on OK. The trail version of the BitRecover PDF to TXT Wizard software will only convert first page of the selected PDF files. In order to increase the conversion limit, user will have to purchase the license. Click on OK to open the destination folder to access newly converted files. You have successfully converted PDF files using BitRecover PDF to TXT Wizard software. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.